Have you ever thought about investing in real estate, but didn't want to deal with the hassle of being a landlord? Believe it or not, it's possible. You can actually invest in properties all over the country, online, hassle-free. One company that can help you do this is Fundrise. Oh, and you don't have to have thousands of dollars to invest either. You can get started with just $500. The same way you can buy shares of a company through stocks, you can invest in real estate assets without buying a whole property yourself. That's where Fundrise comes in. They are the first investment platform to create a simple, low-cost way for anyone to access real estate's historically exceptional returns. You invest your money according to your goals in a diversified portfolio of private real estate assets around the United States. You can see exactly which assets are included in your portfolio through Fundrise's online platform, like a set of luxury condos in Queens, New York, or a modern home in Los Angeles, California. Why would you do this? Just like investing in the stock market, you can potentially earn money through quarterly dividend payments and appreciation in the value of your shares. Investors on Fundrise have averaged a net annual return between 8% and 12% over the past 5 years. To put that into perspective, if you have money sitting in a savings account right now, it probably only has the potential to earn around 1% interest, if that. But remember, there is always risk in investing, and dividend and principal payments are never guaranteed. And just like with most other investments, you'll have to pay some fees with Fundrise, roughly $5 per year for every $500 you invest. If you choose to invest, do so carefully and it could pay off in the long run. That's not too bad for the possibility of earning money while you sleep.